ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to another episode of Shift and State. If you clicked on today's video, that's because you saw the little thumbnail that we're going to be covering the Pittsburg 1,000-pound motorcycle lift that you can pick up at your local Harbor Freight store. Getting started, today's video is actually sponsored by my wonderful wife who actually got this for me for Christmas. This is awesome. Nice new addition to the garage. So this isn't going to be a how-to or even a like motorcycle review or lift review, product review, whatever you want to call it. This is just more of a unboxing. So backstory, I got a very busy life. I don't have a truck. I got an SUV. So I called my neighbor Bob up. Thank you, Bob. Got his trailer. We actually rode out there. So this thing is very heavy. They actually bring it out in a forklift. Put it on the back of your trailer or truck, so make sure you have one of the two. My SUV, I got a big Tahoe, so obviously this wasn't going to fit in the back. And a trailer, I would say, is actually the best route, just rolling it right off. And with that said, let me show you a little trick. So Bob is an older man, very nice man, good man, but older. So he told me right away he couldn't help me get this off. So I said, Bob, brains over bronze. Let me ask my wife. So my wife said, we grab these two skateboards right here. And I just picked it up from the light end, placed these skateboards on the heavy end, rolled her on right down the ramp, got her inside. So I guess since it's here, like I said, I got it last Tuesday, and I'm very busy, and I finally got around to it. So this is like Christmas Day for me right now. I'm excited. So I think we need to get this thing unwrapped, unboxed, and see what we got going on. But like I said, definitely recommend getting a trailer truck to pick this thing up. Grab a friend, because I don't know what's inside. Well, I mean, I know what's in there, but what kind of work are we going to get into? So let's see what kind of tools we're going to need. I guess we need a buster straps first. Let's see. No, we'll use that later. All right, let's get the snaps going. All right, so I'm very busy. Don't do friends. I'm definitely going to be doing this by myself. Well, I got you guys here tonight with me. So this is actually about like 8 o'clock at night. I'm working a bunch of overtime. So I try to do one video a week for you guys. And let me tell you, I'm dedicated. You know, I got my job I'm doing and working on making my wife's dreams come true. Doesn't leave a whole lot of time for myself, but you know what? She's good to me, obviously. So, and I apologize for the heavy breathing, but I don't like to show my face really because I like my privacy. So that's why I just do the helmet view. And y'all used to the whole motorcycle motovlog view. I still consider it like a motovlog, right? I mean, it's about motorcycles. I'm not riding, but motorcycle stuff. All right, so next up, let's see. Got these little things there. Got some wood there. Oh, this is going to be fun. Let's see. What else can we use? Ooh. This might do it. Hold on. All right, let's see. Doll. I might have to try something else, guys. Give me a minute. I'll use that later too. Let's see what else we got. Alright guys, so an axe wasn't the best tool for the job. So I got a hammer and a U-joint buster or ball joint buster. Oh yeah. We're rocking and rolling. Don't worry, I'm not going to make you watch this whole thing. So that's not too hard. A couple cheap nails. She's out the way. I love this stuff. There she is. Whew. Getting old. Okay. Comes with a manual. Probably going to need that. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm already old and slow. And wearing a helmet while you're trying to do this stuff doesn't make it any easier. So let's see what we got. Looks like the jack pedals. A box of little goodies over there. Alright, I busted the side off because, like I said, I do this by myself. All by myself. Let's see if we can slide it out. Let's see. Alright guys, there you have it. That finishes up the unboxing of this Harbor Freight or Pittsburgh Harbor Freight lift. Don't want to use the word cheap. I'll just say affordable. You get what you pay for, obviously. Now I'll go ahead and go over a couple of things or my thoughts on this lift. First, these bolts, nuts and bolts right here, as you can see, stripped. So I don't trust those. Those went to the caster wheels, so I will be replacing those. My other thought or concern is the wheel chock, of course, here. I don't trust it, not one bit, so I'll definitely be changing that out. The pump action, do I feel like pumping my foot 50 million times? Honest review, no, I don't. Like I said, you get what you pay for, and that's it. You get your tie downs, that's good, definitely put those to use. But the only other issue I had was the first time after I finished putting the lift together and I tried to pull my bike up on here on this concrete floor. I got really slick floor. You know, I put the I guess the level points down, and I tried to pull up on it, and of course it slid a little bit. So if you're going to go up on it, make sure you do it consistently up onto the ramp real quick. So be careful with that. I'm probably going to put like a rubber mat or something up under there to keep it from sliding again. So next time I put it there, I got my kickstand down on the bike right now because, like I said, this wheel chock I really don't trust too much. But with that said, it's an affordable lift if you want to do your own repairs and everything on your bike and you don't want to do it on the ground, you want it up in the air. This is a good lift for you. Comes with a ramp. Once you get it up in the air, of course, you actually, if you invest in a little bike jack over there, you lift this up, take this out right here, change that tire out. But other than that, like I said, that's my quick review, my final thoughts on it and everything. Am I glad I bought one? Yes. Is it the one I wanted? No. It's a budget lift. And I'll say it again, you get what you pay for. You want something to get the job done, there it is. Nothing fancy or, you know, any fancy bells or whistles about it. But that's it. It took me about, probably about an hour unboxing and everything. But that's because I was also filming, so. And I'll go ahead and wrap that up here, guys. As I say in every video, I appreciate each and every one of you who watch, and I think I'm just going to stick with the whole riding motovlog thing. So much more fun and easier to do. Thank you for watching, and we'll have another video next week. Y'all have a good one. Oh, and ride safe. We out.